And number three. Oh, listening aid. Hey everybody, it's Michael Anthony, your home loan expert. And today we're going to be talking about 3 reasons to work with a local lender. So number 1, we know the market. Number 2, we have the ability to meet with our clients face to face to talk about loan options. And number 3, we work hand in hand with the local real estate community. So I have a great example of why this is important. Last week, I had a customer made an offer. She was pre-qualified with an online lender. She didn't know where to start. She just went online, got pre-qualified in like 2 minutes. They zipped her out a letter. And the realtor that I work with referred her to me, but before we can connect and pre-approve her, she saw a house that she loved and she wanted to make an offer. So they made an offer with the other online lender's pre-approval letter. Come to find out, she didn't get the contract. A couple days later, the listing agent called her back and said, hey, the first offer didn't work, they terminated. We're going back and giving you another opportunity for the house. However, we just didn't like the fact that this lender that gave the letter had over 200 complaints online. They're out in New York City, just have a really bad reputation. And our agent said, well, hold on a second. Since then, I referred our buyer to my preferred local lender, Michael Anthony. And the listing agent said, wait, stop. He's also my lender. So it was just great timing, and it was like nirvana. So I had called the listing agent who I do a lot of work with and said, hey, look, our buyer is super strong. We're gonna close. And she said, let's just get it done. So a day later, we had the contract in our inbox, and I met with the client yesterday, and we're full steam ahead. We'll be closing in 21 days. So if you have any questions or looking for a local lender, feel free to send me a message, reach out. I'd be happy to discuss it. And until next time, I'm Michael Anthony, your home loan expert.